Let me show you how to claim free $100 sign-up bonus on Ellafund. Ellafund sends you $100 free sign-up bonus that can be withdrawn or traded on crypto market. Ella.fund looking for people that want to make money from home working on crypto market. If you will make profits, how do you want to receive payment? So let's click on crypto wallet. So to receive your $100 sign-up bonus from Ella, fill correct email and click on proceed. So you enter your name and your email and you click on next here to get to the next step. All right, so upon clicking on the next step, after filling your name and your email address, you will get this mail. So if you don't get it the first time, you refresh it and try again. Maybe it could be some glitches and stuff. We sent email with instruction how to receive your $100 sign-up bonus. Please confirm your email request now. So we're gonna go over to my mailbox, and here we are. Response required. Please confirm your request for information. Click the button below to confirm that you'd like to receive your $100 and make money each day. So I'm going to copy this link instead, or let me just click on open in browser. Right, so here's my dashboard, and it says share this link and give your friends and family and 100 Ella, your friends and family a 100 Ella, and you will gain 10 Ella for each share. Share this personal link on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, email every day. So here's your referral link to share. So down here is my Ella sign up bonus. I have 100 Ella up there. So I guess one Ella is equivalent to $1 or so. That's what it means. So this is my current balance. I already have my daily profit is here growing. So let's go through the platform to see. So here you have this amount. If I want to withdraw, I guess I can just click on withdraw. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so it says you need 3 active friends before first payment. Share a link now and receive your first payment today. Okay, I think 3 is not too much, but let's hope it works at the end of the day. So guys, I do not own this platform. Okay, I just stumbled across it and I see it's cool and I've decided to share it with you all. Let's hope that it's something to write home about. So endeavor to do your research. In essence, that's what I'm saying. Okay. So endeavor to do your research. So this is all for now. As you can see, the platform, the website doesn't even have a whole lot of pages. So let's check online to see what's here to read about Ellafund. So I've googled Ellafund and a search, and there's an Ellafund. I think this is a homepage, a new way to chat and pay in genuine privacy. So there are other reviews, other websites reviewing Ellafund. So I think Ellafund is not much of a big cryptocurrency project. It's just starting up though. So all right, so that'll be all for now, guys. Endeavor to do your own research. I can't find it on. I was hoping to see something like CoinMarketCap. Okay, it's not on CoinMarketCap. I think this Ella is different from. Let's see if it's the same Ella. I don't think it's the same Ella. Okay, right. This one is Elizim. Well, it's a contract address. So let's copy it and check on Trust Wallet. Right, so I've got the contract address and I'm on Trust Wallet. So I'm going to paste it here to save us time of scrolling all the way to the bottom. So I click on Add Custom Token. I'll change the network to BSC. I guess so. So Ella.fund. The rest of the parameters are automatically generated. So I'm going to click on Done. All right. So I guess Ella is not on CoinMarketCap because if it's where you will definitely find the statistics like the price and all of that, right? So I think Ella is just a work in progress. Okay. So let's just hope that it turns something good at the end of the day. So this will be all for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any info about Ella token that you want to share with us, you leave a comment in the description box of this video and I'll keep researching. And as soon as I give more updates, I'll know hesitate to share more info with you guys. So that'll be all for now. Thanks so much. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.